Hey friends, what's going on? Hope everything goes with you. Today I got the new sneakers here, and this is from yourshop.ru. And this pair is the another style from Nike SB Dunk sneakers and ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please check on my web link. You can check more details there. And any more question, you can contact with on my contact way. And here, let me show some details of this one. First, you can look at the shoe base, and this is not normal black shoe base. This is the if you put this shoe base with mid hit, will get another look. Including the shoes, the upper, front first side, maybe you can see just the normal black one, but this is the only the simple look. And for this pair have a very special point. Now I can show you. This upper mid hit can get another look. So let me show you. Focus on my fingers here. You can look the upper can get another look when I touch it heavily, because it made the hit, so you can have another look how special on this pair. When you wear this pair under strong light, can get this special feel, so very special on this pair. And about the normal, so you can take this is the black temporary on the upper, and here got its name Civilist. This is the name of this pair. And also the pure white midsole, black shoe lace, and the shoe tone, classical shape of Nike SB Dunk sneakers. On the top got Nike SB and Nike shoes. And about the front, got the holes. Let me touch this part again, so you can take a look here. I will update a detailed picture on my web link. You can check more there. And about the inner side also is the same, pure black one, and the bottom also is our black one. Got Nike SB. And about the inside, you can look how colorful of the shoe point. Got Nike SB and its name, and the side tag, the text on the back side of the shoe tone. And this one got another 3 shoelaces here, blue, red, and yellow. So this is the new style, very special sneakers here. If you want to copy this one, please don't forget to check out on my web link. Thanks for seeing. See you next video. Bye bye.